Wix Studio custom product page. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can customize our products on Wix quite easily. So for this, just open up your Wix, and after that you will be able to find the option of apps at the left hand side panel. Just simply click on this option of app market. Now wait for it to load, and after that you need to search for Wix Store, and after that just hit enter. Now open up the very first one, and in the results just simply install it, and after installing it, this is how it will appear. Then just simply click on this option of open. After that, at the left hand side panel you will be able to find the option of product, and since this is a product page, you will be able to list all your products over here and customize them according to your needs and preferences. And for that, just simply open up any particular product, and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply click on this option of three dots at the right hand side, and after that click on this option of added product. You can also delete products if you want to, so let's select the option of added product, then wait for it to load. Now this is how it will appear. Over here you can add the images for that particular product. You can also crop the image and edit the image using this option. Now when we scroll down further, we can see that we can add some more info according to our needs and preferences for our product, like the name and also some sort of details like the bestseller one or not, and the description and the additional details, the pricing, and everything about your price will be mentioned over here, like your margin, your profits, and the cost. So you can just customize it accordingly, and it is fully customizable. You can also add any text field if you want to add some more text fields that are already present in this particular edit section, and this way satisfy your editing needs for that particular product and customize it accordingly and save it. This way you would be able to do it for each and every product in your inventory, and you would be able to customize it fully, and you would be able to customize it accordingly. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.